So welcome guys in a new video. In this video is the part 2 of solving problem with C++. So in this video we're just gonna solve a simple problem, and it's this problem. So like and subscribe for more videos about solving problems. And don't forget to tell me in the comments what's problem you struggle to solve. So let's start. So it's simple. We're just gonna add a string array with 9 spaces. It's 9 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're just gonna add another integer, and it's a and b. And we want that the user include these two integers, so we're gonna use cn and a and b. If we want to complete this problem, we need to add a for loop about an integer called I equal to a, and I is lower or equal to b, and we're just gonna add an e plus plus. And if inside the for loop we're just gonna add an if statement, we're gonna say if I is greater or equal to 1, and if I is lower or equal to 9. So you're gonna see out one of the arrays. So and else if I can be divided by 2, so it's gonna be even, and if not, it's odd. So this is what we're gonna do in this problem, and we just finished the problem.